In baking and brewing, maintaining the perfect temperature is crucial for yeast activity. Much like mechanical keyboards appeal to gamers and typists for precision and performance. Choosing the right thermometer ensures consistent results. Weather. List number. The ThermoPro 650 feet Bluetooth Meek thermometer is an excellent choice for bakers and brewers who need accurate real-time temperature monitoring. Featuring 4 color-coded probes, you can monitor multiple dough batches or fermentation setups simultaneously. Bluetooth connectivity allows monitoring from up to 650 feet away via the ThermoPro app, making it convenient for multitasking. The large LCD display is easy to read, and its preset temperature alerts help prevent overheating or underproofing. Durable and reliable, this thermometer combines professional-grade features with home usability, making it perfect for precise yeast-based projects. List number. The Lavatools Javelin PRO Duo delivers ultra-fast, 2-second readings, ensuring that your yeast mixtures stay within the optimal temperature range. Its sleek stainless steel probe is highly durable, while the large backlit display provides clear readings even in low-light environments. Ideal for both baking and brewing, the thermometer features auto-calibration and FDA-certified accuracy, giving professional-level precision at home. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to store and carry, making it a favorite for bakers who require rapid and reliable temperature checks for proofing dough or monitoring starter cultures. List 3. The BFOUR Bluetooth thermometer is perfect for multitasking bakers and brewers who need a versatile monitoring solution. Its wireless probes allow monitoring multiple yeast preparations at once, while the Bluetooth-enabled app provides real-time temperature tracking on smartphones. With high-precision sensors, it ensures your dough or starter maintains the ideal temperature for active yeast growth. The thermometer also features customizable alerts and a long battery life, which is ideal for long fermentation sessions. Its durable design, simple interface, and affordability make it a great choice for both home and professional kitchens. List more. The Lavatools Javelin Ultrafast is designed for instant and highly accurate readings in just 2 seconds. Its durable stainless steel probe and ergonomic design make it ideal for frequent use in baking and brewing. The large, easy-to-read digital display allows quick checks while the auto-off feature preserves battery life. With precision temperature measurement, this thermometer helps maintain yeast activity at optimal levels, preventing overproofing or underproofing of dough. Its compact size makes it portable and easy to store, making it perfect for home bakers who need reliability and speed without complicated features. List number 5. The Alpha Griller's digital thermometer provides fast, accurate readings in seconds, making it a versatile tool for bakers and brewers alike. Its foldable stainless steel probe and backlit display make it convenient for measuring the temperature of dough, starters, or fermentation liquids. Waterproof and easy to clean, it is perfect for repeated use without worry of contamination. The thermometer's wide temperature range and rapid response ensure yeast-based recipes stay in their ideal temperature zones. Affordable, reliable, and easy to operate, this thermometer is ideal for home bakers and brewing enthusiasts looking for a dependable tool to maintain perfect yeast activity.